Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. So today I'm picking a random color and doing my makeup accordingly, and this is the makeup look I came up with. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Today is time for another random makeup look. So what I usually do is I have a jar with all of the colors written down on a piece of paper, folded and put in said jar, and I think I have only 3 colors left before I've done all of the colors I can think of. So let's see which one is next. I'm just shaking the jar and we are picking a color, and that is what we're doing for our makeup look today. And today's color is blue. That was surprising because I honestly thought it was gonna be red. I had in my mind like, oh, it's gonna be red today. No, it's not. No, it's not. So what are we gonna do with blue? I think I actually have a lot of blue colors, so let me go through my colors and then we can see what makeup look we can come up with today. So the first thing I would do is take a flat brush like so and do the Makeup Revolution Constellation palette. And I think for this, I just need to go for the darkest one. So we will go with Night Sky, that is right here. And for this, I want to have it just in the outer corner of my lower lashes, angle it up, and then just fade it into my eyelid, basically, and do that on both sides. Then what I want to do is take the same brush, but I have removed any excess product, and I just want to blend this out just a little bit towards the front, or just right here. And it's the smallest amount of blending that I want done, just so that it's not a sharp line. Then I want to take a big fluffy brush and the same eyeshadow and just gently brush it towards the center. And I want little product because I want this to be blended, but I don't want to lose the intensity. Then what I want to do is go in with either the flat brush or my finger for the next color, and I want to take the same eyeshadow palette, the Makeup Revolution Constellation, and I want to go in with Saturn, which is this, and just fill in the rest. Then I want to go ahead and put my mascara on, and first I will curl my lashes. Then I'm taking my Maybelline The Colossal mascara, and I'm putting mascara on my upper and lower lashes since this is a darker makeup look. Now, because the lashes on this eye is being stubborn for the last few months, I need to do false lashes. And so I need to do full lashes because it's the front part that is being stubborn. These, and I think I need to go for the more dramatic one with this because these eyelashes need help. These are from a Chinese market in Milan somewhere, and it's the IPD. Then I'm just going to finish this off by putting on some setting spray, and I'm using the W7 Vitamin Fixer, Vitamin C Fixer, that is. And there you have it, a random color blue eyeshadow look. And I absolutely love blue, and I think it does great things for my eyes. But I think what really makes this look more cohesive is adding those fake lashes. Just because I'm using such a dark color and such an intense color, you need that pop of black to like break up your eyes on the eyeshadow. And keep in mind, blue eyeshadow is perfect and so beautiful on people with brown eyes as well. So just because you don't have blue eyes doesn't mean you can't do this makeup look. And so that is all I have for you today, and if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment down below, and if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!